Alright, this is an RSVP app. I integrated the login with unstoppable domain option. So when you click on login, you get this modal and you enter your domain name. So mine is glorialaga.nft. Then you click continue. So this should take us to it's a page where we have to complete the login. So yeah, I'm trying to authenticate using this my wallet address. Connect to your wallet, so I will click on MetaMask. This is the wallet I'm currently using right now, and I will sign this connection with MetaMask. And once this is done, it's going to redirect you to whatever redirect link you added to your integration. So meanwhile, this is just the code. This is just a simple code to implement that login option with Unstoppable. So here we have the UAuth. So you first of all need to install the library, add it to your package. That's like this is it here in my package.json. You need this to library here to be added, all packages, and then this is my redirect URL, and this is my client ID. Then this is just the simple code that does the integration with Unstoppable domain. So they have different options when trying to integrate with Unstoppable domain. You have login with with pop-up and login without pop-up, and some other options there you will find in the documentation. So the same thing applies to the client ID. So to get your client ID, you need to follow the documentation process, and the section there that we initialize the connection with your MetaMask, and then you get the necessary metadata information, including the client ID, which we use in your application when integrating login with Unstoppable.